gets me every time.
Hey guys, my name is Nosh, and today I am gonna teach you how to build a vending machine in Minecraft. Whoops, Pocket Edition. It's just really easy. I'm using my mom's phone because my phone is really laggy. So all I need is to buy a thingy, emerald. You need emerald to buy the sword, and all I need is to click on it. Boop. We have now our sword. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. You need command blocks for this because I'm at 1.6.0. Let me do slash clear and then slash game mode C. There you go. I already have command block just in case. Now we need to pick our block of our choice. So I need to pick diamond and then some button. Wait. Where did I go here? Some button. There you go. So item frames and emerald. Okay, you need to put 2 there, 1 there, button, emerald, and oh no, okay, good. We have still our command block. Now we need to go here to back on 1, 2, 3. We need to put 3 command blocks. Then we need to put it on chain, conditional, always active, and we need to type here give at p. So what did I give it? Is it emerald? Yes, it is emerald. P emerald underscore, no spaces, block and 1. The 1, I can't even type. You need to go to the 3rd command block and need to chain as well. Conditional, always active, and then you need to type here title at P, and then I forgot. Oh yeah, action bar, and then this thing. So wait, how can I do double S on Samsung? I don't really know. Now I just put it here. Purchase successful. There you go. And then the first thingy we need to do here, clear emerald. Clear at P emerald 0 1. There you go. So now you're set. All we need is to get some emeralds. There you go. We need to do slash clear first. Slash clear. There you go, and we need to get emerald. Let's see if it's working. Game mode S. Let's see. Yay, there you go. That's how to make a vending machine. Hope you enjoyed my video, guys. If you did, smash the like button down below. Let's get 5 likes and subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 10 likes and 10 subscribers, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.